Because, Jeff, I happen to know that ONEMT has the biggest gaming user population base in the region. So you guys must have a lot of data about, how your users spend, how they interesting, and what they interesting, and what will be their future focus going to be like. So I would like to, understand more about from your observer. Among the entire digital sectors, what do you think that would have the most exciting development in the future?
I would like to recap the market trends before through Revenge of Sultan before I answer this question. We released Revenge of Sultans in September 2015. It became one of the most popular games among the Middle East players and become very successful in this region in a short term after launch. The mobile gaming was still in initial development stage, at that time, the players has very strong demands for the games. Our key innovation is graphic localization, which meet the players' demands. But after several years of development in the mobile game market, players in the Middle East market, especially in GCC region, have raised their requirements for the game quality and category to the level as those in mature markets and cannot achieve success in this market through single innovation. All the companies are improving the comprehensive abilities of game development and publishing efficiency, game player design and game localization. The development of digital infrastructure has promoted the application of intelligence and big data. New developed technologies such as AI engine, AI drawing, and AI voice can help our developer team to improve the development efficiency and reduce the cost. The improvement of big data processing capabilities, which can help the operation team more effectively analyze the users' in-game behaviors to guide product optimization direction, which also can help marketing team to analyze the conversion rate of user acquisition, optimizing the marketing strategy and reduce the cost of user cost. In terms of gameplay design, there are more and more successful games integrating cross-category games, such as strategy game merged with RPG games, puzzle and defense games, card games merged with super casual games, simulation games merged with puzzle games. So, which can break these behaviors, can break the circle and expand the users of the game. The design of cross categories merging is not high enough, and there is still a lot of space for improvements in the conversion ratio in breaking circle. In the Middle East, the cross-category games will also have a greater chance to success, and local gamers will like it. In the end, about the game localization, innovation, we have deep insight for it. When Revenge of Sultans released, many idle players said, "Oh, wow, we finally have our own game." Yeah, which showed how Middle East gamers love local culture. But with the diversifies of games and the growth of new generation, the preference of Middle East people for game localization have changed. The new games which integrate art, worldview, and background and gameplay deeply restore Arabic culture will have a better chance. Yeah.